Introduction, Diane Guru, teacher, show you how to make live kefir. Kefir is called good bacteria, okay? Then good bacteria, you don't have to take probiotic like the one I just showed you. Probiotic, no need to take this one can already, okay? Now I show you how to do, step by step.
This one can take every day.
Every day, every day.
Okay, start, Diane.
Okay, we need the fresh milk and grain.
This fresh milk got sugar.
Fresh milk must be fresh milk.
Yeah.
Fresh milk. Okay.
Has sugar. The bacteria need a little bit of sugar.
Sometimes what happens when you see it's not fermented properly, the milk is no good, right?
Yeah.
When not enough, not creamy. Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
Do.
This one is easy only. 1 teaspoon of grain.
Of what?
Grain.
How do you spell grain?
Huh?
How do you spell?
Grain. G-R-A-N.
Oh, grain. Oh.
Grain.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of grain and 1 cup of fresh milk.
1 cup of fresh milk.
So,
1 teaspoon to 1 cup.
yeah. Must use fresh milk. After that, we cover just this one.
Clean cloth.
Like this, yes.
Oh, okay.
We cover.
Cover, use a rubber band.
You don't want to cover also can, but
Oh.
better is cover.
Because there will be bacteria, so you don't want it to flow out.
So like this, we keep in the dark place.
Okay, inside the cupboard.
Yeah.
Dark.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
we leave it 24 hours.
24 hours.
Yeah, then
Oh,
become
okay.
a keeper already.
I'm
Oh.
showing the
So
cake.
easy,
And just
Just now?
The one?